Hi, and welcome to this particular reading test 4 for Key Stage 2 High Year 6 English. These are similar exam type questions that you could experience in the SATs exams. This particular short story, short biography, in fact, short biography meaning a story on Evelyn Glennie's real life example story, is all about this young lady who's actually a very famous musician, and she's a percussionist, which means that she plays various different types of instruments, and she travels around, and she's quite popular. So she was born in 1965, and she was born in Scotland, and this is all about her. And now you've got questions based on Evelyn Glennie's short biography. The difference between a biography and an autobiography is a biography is when somebody writes about your life, and an autobiography is, let's say, for example, if I write about myself and my life. So have a read of this. It's quite interesting. And you've got some questions, quite a few questions to answer. And you have other short passages that will come your way as well in terms of giving you a good experience of what exam questions will be like. Good luck with these. Thank you.